রেকর্ড হচ্ছে this box just arrived. I am making this video only for my close friends and relatives. So first of all, let me mention making of this video. So the main purpose of this video is okay. First, tell me the whole concept. This is please come here. Please show this brand now. Samsung B750D. Okay, so when today is 13th October 2025. 2025. So in Amazon that offer, big offer, great festival offer. So before that, this box was shown, price was 26,990, so approx 27,000. But I purchased this product after SBI Bank offer. It's on with only 17,000 only. So approximately 10,000 rupees difference for that period only. So currently today 13th October. So it is again showing 26,990 rupees. So it's a great deal that time. But every my own friend told me not buy in that offer periods because they are saying in that offer period the product maybe the product will be in defective condition or any other defective condition. So that's why I am making this video, that in that huge 9,000 10,000 big gap in this type of electronics, what will be the condition and everything. So this is the main box. Also this is for my warranty also. If there is any chance of any defect, then I can claim it too. Okay, so now this is the box condition. If you can see, very bad condition. Please, very bad. You can see it's like it's exactly patched and everything from delivery. You can clearly see actually delivery has patched it. So it already the box was broken or maybe something, we don't know. So okay, let me cut it. Very sealed. Okay. My dress is very casual actually. Please show me very my very casual dress. So again continue. Kitchen knife. So main purpose of this video is for my warranty, okay, nothing else, and also to tell my friends that in that period of time what will be the product condition. So please show it. You can clearly see it has been already opened. Okay, so it has been patched. You can show the no, it is okay, but you can see the placement of this product. It shouldn't be like that. I have opened so many products, original products, but 100% it has been opened before. So it's okay, it may be open, but if the product is okay and all good, new, then there shouldn't be any problems. Okay, so this is the first one. It has also been patched. Okay, these are the accessories. Let me see. No, this has been completely sealed, I think. So what do you think? Is it sealed, right? It's the accessories, okay. Achha, this is the main subwoofer part. Also, let me mention one more thing. I bought that product. Originally, that name was B750D/XL, but in this product only B750D was mentioned. I don't know if this is correct or not, but here it is showing B750XL, but in main box only B750D. So okay, moving on. 100% it has been put. See the dart.
Used.
100% used product. Maybe it was in display or something in that from that retailer, but you can clearly see. ভালো করে দেখা যাচ্ছে তা? It has been used, I guess. Otherwise condition is not bad, it's okay. Okay, now main product, the sound one. No, it 100% sure it has been opened before, it has been repacked and repatched, but it's okay. The accessory is actually this packing is not even, look. Achha, this packing is not even only. Please show it today. Small, big. আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি তো এটা এরকমই মেবি, এটা পেছন দিকে থাকবে তো। প্লিজ শো দিস ইজ দ্য মেন পার্ট। দিস ইজ স্মল অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ বিগ। 100% sure it has been repatched after. I don't know. Okay, so the main thing, the sound bar.
এইখান দিয়ে বের করতে।
So this huge sound bar. Used 100% used product. This broken. I have to replace it. 100% I have to replace it. This is good, in good condition, but this is broken condition. Okay, so this is it. So final conclusion is it's a used and broken product. So I have to issue a replacement. Okay, thank you.